I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to enable the Now Playing feature on your Google Pixel to identify music that's playing around you. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Google Pixel and then tap Display and Touch in this menu. Step 2. Scroll down to the Lock Display section and then tap Lock Screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the What to Show section and then tap Now Playing. The Now Playing screen opens. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Identify Songs Playing Nearby. A window pops up asking if you want to add the Now Playing icon to your Android device's home screen. Tap Add to Home Screen. This window closes and you'll see a message letting you know that your device is downloading the song database. Going forward, all you need to do is open the Now Playing app to see a list of all of the songs your device has identified since you enabled the Now Playing feature. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.